Hey y'all, we're back with the Learn House in Your House challenge. I'm outside my house, but Learn House at your house. Last week's challenge was a lot of fun. I had a lot of people sharing videos of themselves dancing and also posting it for other people to dance too. So if you have any friends that you'd want to tag to try this house dance challenge, feel free. We got another short combo this week, but it's a complex one. So I'll break it down nice and slow. It's from a video that I did with a friend of mine, Hillary, last year. I realized I had this whole stockpile of video footage that I never got to really teach to anybody, so now we're gonna get to do it. All right, y'all, so let's work through this. This combo is a little complex. It's short, but there's a lot to it, so let's break it down nice and slow. First move, you're gonna come up on your toes, pivot to your left. Your arm's just gonna swing out, bring it back. You're gonna kick, ball, change. Kick, ball, change. That's 2 and 3. Crisscross. 4 and right foot comes back. 5 and it's another ball change. You're gonna tap and twist. 6 and twist. 7. Now you're gonna do 3 little hops. Swing your leg around. 8 and 1 and 2 and moving forward. I switch my feet. Kick. I drop on 3. Now I'm gonna come back and turn. 4 and 5. Feels like a sidewalk, right? Now, this is where it gets a little crazy. You switch your legs, and you bring it back. 6, and now I do a b-boy step. 7, my left foot, and bring my right leg up. 8, bring it up, and now these last 2 moves, you're just gonna bounce. Boom, boom, you bring it up, your front foot drags back, and then you do one more time. Boom, boom. And that's the end. All right, so it gets a little hairy at the end, but let's work through it again slow. From the top, I'll count it. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7. 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and bounce, 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 bounce. The bounce timing is 1 and 3. Boom, 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 boom. 5, 6 from the top. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3. All right? Make it a little faster. 5, 6, 7 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3. Woo. It's hard to count that. All right, let's try a little faster. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3. Ooh. All right, y'all, tempo's not that much further away, so let's try one more time. Remember, you can rewind this, watch it slow motion first, work on the stuff that you need. 5, 6, 7, and 1 and 2 and 3. 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8 and 1 and 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 3. Ooh. All right, y'all, let's try music. Hey y'all, so that combo was pretty challenging, I know. You can slow parts of it down if you want. You can rewind it again as much as you want to see how I do it. The way I've learned these movements or done them, the way my mentors did them might be different than the way that you feel the movement in your body. So do what works best, have fun with it. Again, if you want to tag a friend in it, feel free, the more the merrier. Just more challenges, more fun stuff to get us through this crazy time right now. If this video inspires you to take classes, I'm teaching virtual house classes 3 times a week. You can find more info through my bio on Instagram or through my website, seanbierka.net. I have class passes that you can use to save some money on those as well. But if classes aren't in the cards for you right now, look out for these challenges. I'm gonna be posting them every Wednesday on Instagram, on my website. So I hope you can get down. Next week we might simplify it a little bit after this week's crazy combo. So stay tuned. Happy dancing. Learn house in your house. Have fun.